Hello, welcome to a new video talking about funding pips. Before starting, I want to remind you that in the description of this video, you will find a link so you can register and get a 5% discount on your first purchase in this company, which for me is the best in the world. Moment because they pay all their traders. Also remember that we have a community where you can join and ask your respective questions. Having said this, let's start with the video. As you can see, I am already in the funded account after passing my Phase 1 and my Phase 2. The process, it took me to pass both phases, has been really fast, and I am about to request a withdrawal on Monday from which I will receive $237 in profit, which means 80% of the profits, and I will be withdrawing the entries through cryptocurrencies that I took into my funded account. The majority were on Nasdaq. The market has actually respected my trades quite well, so in this video I will be showing you some of my operations and explaining them, without first mentioning that with the discount you can purchase an account from $30 and the account from $100,000 to $379. They pay every 5 days after you are in your master account, without a doubt one of the best companies of the moment. Also, if you register and buy with my link, you will have access to a VIP group where you will have free classes every week. Having said that, let's continue with the explanation. First of all, what I do is operate Nasdaq in the New York session. That is, at the opening, when the market opens, I see the reaction to the areas that I am waiting for, and in this case the market was in a bullish structure in periods of 5 minutes, and at one point the structure breaks, and when the market does that, we have the possibility of looking for sales and being able to take an entry in our favor. In the end, everything is based on probabilities, and that is what we did. Take an entry in sales and the price respect, giving us $120 for a risk benefit of 1 to 2, and that was the first entry in this account. Then we took the last entry, so I will explain the last entry, and this one was about to take me out. And that is why sometimes it is important to place the stop loss above the last high, because if the price decides to go up, we will have room for the price to be able to hold that position, and that is what happened. Although the price fell more than normal, I closed at 1-to-1 since the market was about to close, and I don't like leaving positions open. Although if I had done so, I would have made a bigger profit, but in the end it is what we have, and these were the two most important entries in this master account. I hope may this explanation be very useful to you. So if this company interests you, we will be talking about the most important rules about this company, although personally I think they are the best in the industry since they don't set rules for you like other companies. This is really encouraging. Use an EA, hold during news, hold trades over the weekend, and trade lot sizes as big as the leverage allows for. Unlimited trading days. We understand that putting a time limit creates a stressful environment, therefore we have no minimum or maximum limit on trading days. Take all the time you need. Request your payouts on a 5 trading days basis with an 80% profit split. Once a trader earns a hot seat in our firm, the trader receives on-demand payouts with a 90% profit split. We believe in constant adaptability and development when it comes to trading. Therefore, we do not have a minimum or maximum limit on trading days. In order to reach your profit target, you may take all the time you need. Remember, there's no need for stress or to rush. Take your time and trade at your own pace. The maximum daily loss is the amount you are allowed to lose every day. For the purpose of this rule, the higher value between equity and balance will be used. This rule is set as a percent of the starting equity or balance of every day. The rule states that the equity of the day, which is the result of the currently floating P&L, profit and loss, in sum with all closed positions of that day, must not hit the maximum daily loss limit. The maximum loss limit is the amount your equity or balance can't go below. This rule is set to 10% of the initial account size. For example, if you have a $100,000 account and the maximum loss limit is 10%, your equity or balance can't go below $90,000 at any time. To prove your trading skills, you have to reach the profit target after closing all your trades without violating any trading rules within the given trading period. Trade with up to 1/100 leverage with raw spreads. There is a different leverage applied for different types of financial instruments. FX 100, Crypto 12, Indices 120, Metals 130, and Energies 110. The platforms that this company uses are CTrader and MatchTrader. If you are a citizen of the United States, you can only choose MatchTrader since it is the only company that offers an account to Americans. If you liked this video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. See you soon.